Every guy has a girl that he wants to speak to and impress, but often just cannot seem to find the right words. So it would have been very nice if there was a guide to impressing women, but unfortunately there is no such guide. So today in this YouTube video I will give you guys 7 tips on how to impress any girl. Remember, these tips are really powerful and will make her addicted to you, so do not abuse them. The 4th tip is the most important one, and the number 1 tip is the hardest to execute. So now let's get started with this video. So tip number 7 is show your feelings. I'm not saying here to just go out and blab out that, hey girl, I like you, will you be my girlfriend? No, this is not what I mean when I say that show your feelings. What I mean is that show her that you are an emotional guy, that you have emotions. Many studies have found that women are more attracted towards men who are more emotional. Look, even if you are not an emotional guy, then fake it if you want to impress her. Remember, just don't overdo this one. So the next tip is always be well groomed and dressed. Unless you are Mark Zuckerberg, you have to dress well if you want to impress a girl. Believe it or not, your wardrobe choice says a lot about who you are. In fact, studies show that the clothes that we wear send powerful signal to our peers and strangers. See, you don't need to have incredible fashion sense in order to impress a girl. Just pick a color that looks best on you, avoid anything too bright, and make sure that clothes fit properly. And boom, you are ready to rock. Also be well groomed. Don't ruin your chances with that horrible body odor of yours or an untamed facial hairstyle. Look, women appreciate men who take care of themselves, so presenting yourself in an appropriate fashion is sure to win some points. And according to psychologytoday.com, a well-groomed look is really important if you want to impress a girl. So the 5th tip is be a gentleman. Open doors for her, pull out chair for her whenever the opportunity presents itself, offer her coat or jacket when you know that it's cold outside, be polite to other people. Look guys, these small things are super attractive, and doing all these things will help you earn a lot of points, so keep doing these things. So now coming on to the most important tip, that is be social with your close friends. This is the most important thing you have to do if you want to impress a girl. Now wait, I will tell you a secret here. If you are able to impress her close friends, then she is yours. And if her close friends don't like you, then the game is over for you. See guys, this tends to have an indirect effect on a girl. By impressing her friends, you can trigger a chain reaction which will eventually cause your dream girl to be impressed with you. You don't have to impress each and every friend of hers, but just close friends. The reason this is important is because girls form their opinion of men by talking and discussing with their friends. So if you are able to impress her friends, then you are halfway through impressing her. So now coming on to the 3rd one, that is ask questions to know her better. When you are having a conversation with her, do not get caught up in just talking about yourself. Even if she decides to ask you questions about your life, do not use this as an opportunity to recite the pages from your autobiography. Remember, allow her to talk about herself so that you can get a solid chance to know her better. Here are some of the helpful questions that you could ask her. What is something that you have tried but will never do again? Who is your best friend? What is the one thing that you did in past you wish you could undo? What is your biggest fear? What is one place in the world you wish you lived in? Would you rather be loved or have a lot of money? What is the happiest memory from your childhood? What is the most embarrassing moment of your life? So now coming on to the 2nd tip, that is compliment her in moderation. You should always compliment her in moderation. Remember to compliment her and do not start to flirt with her, as you have to be genuine when you compliment a girl. She will be more flattered and will appreciate your compliment. And complimenting should be in moderation, and not every time you see her you blast with those compliments on her. I highly recommend you guys to watch these videos I made on how to flirt the right way and how to get a girl to like you. So the number 1 tip, that is the hardest to execute, show her that you are confident. You can apply this tip for impressing almost any girl, as girls are naturally more attracted towards men who are confident. So what is being confident? It simply means that you are comfortable with yourself and sure of your own abilities. Having a confident attitude will also convey to a girl that she can depend on you. I'll give you guys one more tip here on how to show her that you are confident. Make decisions. Research shows that women are attracted to confident men who are able to take initiatives and make decisions. This confidence is the golden ticket that will allow you to get through her heart. So that's it for this video guys. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, as on this channel we make videos related to psychology, relationship and educational videos. So if you're interested in any of these, you know what you need to do.